Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back here looking at this Datsun 1500 Ute. You may recall our first start in 20 years that we did on this vehicle. Closer look. Wow, she's pretty dusty. But wow, this is rough. Oh, look at that. That's 20 years worth of dirt coming off of this thing. Oh yeah. Oh well, so it's definitely not seized. Oh, it wants to run. 20 years. A couple of years back. And then the first drive in 20 years that we did of this vehicle, some 2 to 3 months ago now. Well, there you go, folks. That's the first drive of the Datsun Ute in 20 years. We did it. Anyway, today we're on a recovery mission because we've acquired a parts ute. So nearly the exact same ute as this Datsun 1500 as a parts vehicle. So we're on a recovery mission today to go get that ute so we can actually get this ute so it's in more of a drivable condition. From that video we did of the first drive, we had no clutch, we had no brakes. It was a bit of fun, bit of a blast, but I want to get this ute going and I want to do some adventures in this ute. So watch on. We'll see what this parts ute's like and we'll see if we can get it back here today and get underway. We'll see how far we can get. So we've made it to the secret location of the parts ute here, and we've got this very special rusty key. So let's get into it. Let's see if we can actually unlock the shed. Oh, there we go. She's highly secure with this padlock. And let's have a look. Let's have a look inside. Oh, there we go. There we go, folks. We've got another Datsun Ute. We've acquired this one as a parts ute. Let's just have a look at it. Oh well, she's got at least half a tyre up. Front tyre's flat. Other front tyre's flat. Oh yeah, so we're going to have to try and pump the tyres up. And I reckon we'll just tie her straight out backwards, put her on the trailer and get into it. Alright. Alright, now let's have a look in here. Oh man, this one is rough. I wonder if there's a dead rat in here. Oh, there's a mouse. There's a mouse running around inside. Alright, let's pop the bonnet. Have a look under the bonnet and see what goodness this one has. Alright, let's have a look under the bonnet. Let's see what she's got under here. Oh well, look, she looks like she's got a half reasonable brake master cylinder. And she's got a clutch master cylinder, so hopefully that's going to be a couple of parts which we can use for another one running properly. And just look, we've got a door that's going to stay closed, I reckon. We've got a good bonnet. And look at this beauty. She's got like a fiberglass tray on the back. I wonder if we can get that tray onto the red ute as we undertake this little resto. But anyway, enough talking. Let's get into this. Let's get the tyres pumped up. Let's get it on the trailer. And let's get underway. She's clearly pumping up, so that's a good sign. So we'll get all of the tyres aired up, we'll get it onto the trailer. So fortunately it looks like all of the wheels seem to be taking air. So just move around the whole ute and we'll get them all pumped up. So we've got the parts ute there all loaded onto the trailer. Bit of a struggle to get it out the shed. She was locked up, but a bit of a yank with the winch and the axles unlocked there. So got her all strapped down nicely, ready for the journey back to the other Datsun ute. So let's get the Resto underway to get that Datsun ute driving again. Alright folks, so we've managed to get the parts ute into the shed here at the location where that red Datsun Ute is. We've made some space. You know, it's here. It looks actually not too bad, you know. I reckon it does have a better bonnet on it, as I was saying before. It's certainly got hopefully a door that'll stay closed. And, you know, hopefully we've got some components on here that are actually going to be useful, like brake components, master cylinder, clutch, etc. You know. But for now, we'll call an end to it for today, and we'll leave it to another video to get into this parts ute and get some parts across to the other red ute, get it driving, and then we'll get the two parked in the shed together. So if you like this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. And if you want to tune into some more content, getting the Datsun Ute, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you see all the updates come through. Until then, have a good evening.